Hello everyone, in front of me is ZTE Blade A71 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first reach your phone dialer, then pick the contact to which you want to add this profile picture to, select edit, and now tap on this camera icon which is for profile picture. And now you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose a photo from your gallery. Let me pick a photo. Choose the one that you want to apply. Now you can customize it however you wish. You can rotate the picture if you want, and then tap on save. Click on save again to apply the change, and that's it. As you can see, from now on this picture would be assigned to your contact, and anytime this contact will be calling you, you will see the profile picture at first. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.